Hey there guys, welcome to K-Sed's Double Box Break number 572 of Rookie Anthology. The last thing that ended in the break was the Edmonton Oilers on June 3rd at 8:50 p.m. Eastern Time. So we're going to go to eBay's current time, click reload. It's going to be Wednesday, June 4th at 12:11 p.m. Eastern Time. So I tried going on Breakers TV here. It's like there's a problem with the resource you're looking for and it cannot be displayed. Tried refreshing for the last little bit. I know a lot of guys are emailing me seeing when I'm going live, but I do apologize for that, guys. But on to our break. So these are boxes 9 and 10 from the case, and our serial numbers are NE190812167 and 190796303 is our second set numbers. To our boxes. NE190812167 and 6303 is our second one. Our shrink wrap. Sealed. So it's up here. I'll turn you guys around. I'll show you the serial numbers for each box and we will get started. 2167. So good luck, guys. I'll try refreshing again when we go before we start cutting. And just a reminder that the score, prism, and select cards are not shipped in the break. If they're the color, like if they're black or gold or serial number, jerseys, they will be shipped. So if you have hits going to you, I will include them in your package. So base. So Magnus Hellberg. So these are the ones that aren't shipped. But if you do have hits coming to you, I will include them. Our first hit is Jared Stahl, number 100 for the Carolina Hurricane. 98 of 100, sorry. Jared Stahl, Hurricane. We have a prism base of Tyler Seguin. And Brock Nilsson. Score rookie files. Yes. Base. Got Dmitry Korobov. Select rookie Rasmus Ristolainen. Rookie for the Sabres. Base. Base. Got Marek Mazanik. Prism. Alexander Barkov. Hot rookies. Base. We have Jonathan Bernier, select base, select prism, Ryan Clough for the Devils. How's it been? I just got other people text messaging me, hey, break's not, breakers isn't loading. I do apologize for the people that are trying to get on and watch it live. We got Nathan Beaulieu, rookie selection dual jersey auto at 249. And Rito Para for the Avalanche. Thanks. And we have a luxury suite jersey auto of Michael Granlund out of 99 for the Wild. Nice hit there from Minnesota. Got Jerome McGinley score base. We have a score signatures for the Edmonton Oilers of Ryan Smith, Mr. Smitty, and Clark MacArthur, base for the Sens. Score rookie Connor Murphy. Hampus Lindholm for the Ducks. Thanks. I'm gonna have to hope for a monster hit out of this one. Make up for this box. Yeah, another base card. And we have a nice auto prism of Tanner Pearson, number 1 of 25. That's actually the black refractor. 1 of 25. Very hot player right now. It's a nice hit there for LA. And Ryan Strome for the Islands. Base. On to box number 2. $6303. Nice. We got Zemgus Jurgensons. And they have a hot rookies of Nathan McKinnon for the Avalanche. 2 base cards. Nice. Got a rookie auto of Antti Raanta for the Blackhawks. Tom Wilson scored rookie. Nice. Just give me 1 second, guys. Gotta double check if I miss any of the gold parallels. No. The gold ones are about 1 in every second box that I've seen. Just so I don't miss it. Because we will only hit 2 of them in the last little bit. Martin Jones for the Kings. And a Tanner Pearson for the LA Kings. The LA King floodgates. And we have ourselves a nice Dominion quad jersey of Rene Bourque, Thomas Plekanec, Michael Bournival, and Josh Georges, number 3 of 50. The Canadiens. Tyler Seguin for the Stars. Nice. Base. We have a dual jersey auto, Dougie Hamilton, 249 for the Bruins. And Max Talbot for the Avalanche. Base. Daniel Briere for the Canadiens. And Victor Bartley for the Preds. Nice. This is actually for the Minnesota Wild of Ilya Bryzgalov, the logo there. He is Minnesota, and he says Minnesota Wild right below his name there. We got score rookie of Mark Condari. We have a titanium rookie number 2 the jersey of Michael Bournival for the Canadiens. Nice. Very solid product so far. And, oh wow, we have a Dominion patch of John Carlson, 47 of 60, 3 color from 12-13 Dominion. It's a nice hit there for Washington. 2 Dominion hits out of the same box. Eric Hartzell for the Penguins. Nice. Nice. Patrick Collin, select rookie for the Canadiens. Devin Setaguchi, select prism for the Jets. Nice. And last pack of the break ice. Nice. And for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Jonathan Adi Marchessault. Hot rookie auto. He is for the Tampa Bay, as you can see right underneath his auto there. And Jonathan Bernier, score base, Maple Leaf. And base card. So that concludes the break, guys. So we got the last 2 boxes of the case tomorrow. We'll probably just do the next 2 breaks, just do some loose boxes. And last box of cup of the case tomorrow.